So this is something I've been waiting to get my hands on for a long time, and it's just arrived. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Quick note, this video is just an unboxing. It's literally just arrived and I want to unbox it with you guys, but a review video and a full comprehensive review video is coming in about 1 to 2 weeks time. I just want a bit of time with the product first to be able to test it, use it, and I'm sure fall in love with it. Just as I open the box, I think one of the most interesting things about this Osmo Mobile 2 is actually the price. You may remember the original Osmo Mobile went on sale for something like $299. This one, the newer version, is available for, and I want to get this right, $129 and also £129 if you're in the UK like me, which is a ridiculous price drop. Just open the box. In terms of what you get in the top here, we have a support card, and interestingly enough, DJI are using Facebook Messenger for their support now, and some information about Osmo Shield as well, so a leaflet about that. You also have disclaimer and safety guidelines there, and you get the Osmo Quick Start Guide as well. But let's be honest, what we really want to see is in here. The only other thing in this box is the case for the Osmo Mobile 2 itself. It comes in the kind of polystyrene case that they've started shipping the drones in as well. And that is what you get. Literally two things. So we have the micro USB charging cable in here, and then just the device itself, the Osmo Mobile 2. So let's take a quick look at it. Like I say, I don't want this to turn into a review, I just want it to be an unboxing. But I'll kind of talk through some of the stuff that we've got here. First impressions, I really like the color, is definitely the first impression. I like that sort of gunmetal grey. Weight-wise, even though it's technically heavier than the original Osmo Mobile, I actually have an original Osmo, which I always felt really heavy, if that makes sense. On the front, we have the joystick to control the moving head itself. Then we have the record button, and then we have the mode selector button. This doubles up as a power switch as well. What you do with that button, if you double tap it, it will kind of reset its position. If you triple tap it, it will flip the camera, so you go into selfie mode. And if I think it's one tap, it kind of holds the position, so no matter where you move the gimbal around, it will stay pointing at the same subject. And this is the zoom rocker switch now, which actually, when you use the DJI Go app, introduces digital zoom, and it's a nice, slow, smooth digital zoom. I'm looking forward to trying that out. And on the other side is just the micro USB charging port. Now there is one other thing that DJI have added in terms of ports on here. On the back here, we have a USB port. You can use this as an external battery charger if your phone is running out of power. DJI didn't need to add it in, but I'm sure it's going to be quite useful. Although, who doesn't really carry around a portable battery bank with them nowadays anyway? It doesn't have a removable battery, it actually has an internal battery. Because of that, they've been able to add a tripod thread onto the bottom of the device, so you can mount it to tripods, you can mount it even to sort of boom poles and stuff like that, and do some really creative stuff with them. Now, the feature that I'm really excited for trying in the review is the fact that this Osmo Mobile 2 allows you to not just shoot in landscape mode, but you can actually swivel. You just undo this dial here, and you can swivel the head to portrait mode as well, which means that if you're a live streamer like me on apps like Periscope or Instagram, or if you shoot stories for Snapchat and Instagram stories, a lot of those platforms actually prefer portrait mode. So now you can have stabilized shots in portrait as well. So I could literally just mount my phone like this. We're going a little bit ad hoc right now, and you can see there we have the stabilized gimbal in portrait mode as well as landscape. That is pretty much a very basic unboxing. It was always going to be a quick video because there actually isn't that much in the box for the Osmo Mobile 2. But like I say, I will be doing a full review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. It'll be up on my channel in about 2 weeks time. So if you want to keep an eye on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I just want to get out there with my phone in this thing, shooting some video first, get used to using it, and then I will do the review. So it'll be up in about 2 weeks. Definitely check that out. If you like this unboxing, please do hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment if you're thinking about getting these, and I don't know why you wouldn't. For $129, it seems like a really good buy. Let me know if you are going to pick one of these up. But until then, I will see you in the next video, guys.